Hello everyone, this is Adina C. I'm now in Macau. I'm staying at the Venetian Macao. This is a surprise day because we're not supposed to be here today. We have booked Four Seasons Macau tomorrow, but typhoon signal number 3 is hoist and we're worried that we cannot come to Macau tomorrow. That's why we decided on the Saturday, we come here for an extra night, so we book the Venetian Macao because the bus that we took stopped right here at Venetian Macao. So in case anything happened, we can still check in, we'll be in Macau. So that's the reason we're here for a night. So I have just booked the Royal Suite and they have nicely upgraded me to the premium suite. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So this is on the left, the bathroom. So they have a spacious bathroom, you know, with the dressing table, with the mirror, and then with the double sink, the bathtub, as well as the rain shower. So very quickly, I'm going to show you the amenity. So this is what they used for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Okay, so typical Venetian, they have kind of a bi-level, but it's only a few steps down. On the upper level is the bedroom. I actually think they have done some renovation because I stayed here before. The bedboard is not like this, but maybe it's a different room type, I'm not sure. But the fiber and anything, like the mattress and everything, looks like they have done some renovation, which is nice. So I will just open the wardrobe. They do have 2 bathrobes and the slipper and the iron and the iron board. And then also in the bedroom facing the bed, here is the TV. So let me see what they have here. Just some saving space. Okay, so we can put our 2 small pieces of luggage here. So as I mentioned, it's a suite concept. It's only 2 steps down, like a partition or divider into the bedroom and the living room. Here is the living room area. It's very similar to the one in Las Vegas as well. But as I said, they may have reduced the silver, the fiber and everything. It looked more stylish and more cozy to me, which is nice. So this is the living room area, and they do have a work desk area. And sitting at the sofa, there is another television. Okay, so that's one on the bedroom side, and that's another one in the living room side. So again, let me check what they have. They do have a fridge. So actually there's nothing in here, so it's not a fully stocked minibar, but you can put any drinks and anything in here. And then they do have a kettle with some tea bags, and then tea and coffee mug, and then some wine glasses and such. Okay, let me show you the view. As I show you, I'm in the North Tower, 10th floor, room 100. So when I check in, I'm like, the 10th floor is a little bit low, but to my surprise, actually we got kind of a very nice view facing, I would say, the courtyard, you know, a small artificial lake, you know, this area. So actually it's the 10th floor, but the view is still pretty okay, pretty nice. So this is where we'll be staying for tonight, and then tomorrow we'll go as planned and move to Four Seasons. in the similar area and begin our short getaway. Okay, so we'll continue to post and let you know our experience here. And we'll see you tomorrow at Four Seasons. Bye now.